Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. This is a complete tutorial. If you have any issue related QB torrent, uTorrent, then your issue will be fixed after watching this video. As you can see, my download speed is only 21, 22 and 20 kbps, and also you can check the time it show up to 12 and 15 hours, only one file for downloading. So how you can fix this issue? I have stopped the download and go to preferences, and now I will show complete in detail one by one venue. So you have to check accordingly. If the setting is the same, then you do not have to change, otherwise you have to change accordingly. Now in directories, we will start from directory. You can change here any folder as you want to download and save your file. The next important setting is in connection setting. You have to change there three things. First is a port setting. So first of all, you have to check this port. If you are using any proxy or any specific port, then change accordingly. Otherwise you can change this port as I am changing here 4655. This is one of the important port. If you use this, your speed will be automatically increased. Next, you can enable PNP and NAT. The next menu is the bandwidth. This is also an important menu. You have to change this accordingly, and this is step number 3. First of all, you have to minimize your upload speed. So I will change it up to 10 and 0 for download because it is unlimited. So this menu will be changed. Now we will go to the next menu. As you can see, here is global maximum number of connections. So you have to change it accordingly, as I am changing this value up to 450, and then the next value you have to change as maximum number of connected peer. Then you have to change it to 500. So this menu is completed. Now we have to apply and then OK. Again we will go to the next menu. It is normally, and you can check this setting. Again we go to BTS and then transfer cap. If you have any cap, then you have to uncheck, and then is a queue setting. So in queue setting, you have to change it accordingly as I am changing here. The first maximum number of active torrent upload or download is up to 3, and the next is maximum number of active download is 2, and the maximum ratio you can change it accordingly, as here is 200, so you can change it up to 7, 9 or 5. So you have to change it, and then remaining will be same. I have saved the setting. Scheduler will be same. Remote setting is not required, and then we have to playback. This will be remain same, and then you can see here is a pair devices and then label. These all are same. Now we go to advanced setting, and here is a BT connect speed. So you have to change it accordingly as 85. Now you can search for RSS upload interval. So you have to change it 125 and then press set. Now the setting will be changed, apply and then OK. Everything is OK. Now the last setting, we have to change it up to high to get a maximum speed, and then from here you have to bandwidth allocation. You have go to download is unlimited, and then upload again you have to specific up to 5, 10 or 15 kbps. You may be under 50 range. So this is also done. Now this is one of most important setting is a tracker list. If you have a tracker list, updated accordingly. Otherwise I will give this tracker list in a description, so you can copy and change here the tracker list accordingly. This will be uploaded, and then you have to apply and then OK. Our setting is done. Now you can cross check everything is OK. Now you have to one time close it accordingly, and then you have to run as administrator. So we are come back. Now we will start and check the result. We first getting 20 kbps, and now we will check that how much speed is changed. As you can see, it start and 20 kbps is almost crossed, and then 27, and then 55, and then 85, and then 1 mbps. As you can see, the same torrent, the same internet, and I am getting higher and higher speed up to 4 mbps, 5 mbps, even up to 20 mbps if you have a bandwidth and a good internet. So this is the most important setting. If you have any issue, comment us, we will fix it. Thanks for watching.